Hello friends. Do you know what is a kangaroo word? A kangaroo word is a unique word in the English language that carries within it a synonym of itself. A kangaroo word is also known as a marsupial or swallow word. The reason that kangaroo word draws its name from the kangaroo is because it carries its baby, or joey, in its pouch. In the same way, it also symbolizes how the larger word carries its smaller synonym within it. Here are some examples of kangaroo words. Masculine. It has the synonym males within it. Chocolate has its synonym cocoa. There are other words like destruction has its synonym ruin. Observe has its synonym see. Devilish has its synonym evil. Alone has its synonym one. Regulation has its synonym rule. I hope you understand now what does kangaroo word means.